All right, guys, we're back on the Civic, but this time, instead of working on the engine or doing anything with the drivetrain, what we're gonna end up doing is some cosmetic stuff. I wanna replace the corner lights, the rear tail lights, as well as vacuum out the interior and then take it for a car wash. Since it is running and driving well enough right now, you know, no problems at the moment, not even a check engine light. We're gonna take it to get it dolled up a little bit, you know, as much as it can be. It's kind of a little rough around the edges, but at least clean off the dirt and get it looking a little nicer. That's the goal for this episode. Here we go, we're gonna get right to it. Stay tuned. But before I go in and start working on the Civic, I'm gonna clean up around the shop because, as you can see, it got to be a little bit chaotic this weekend. Unfortunately, I was not in the best mood after having the issue I had putting the water pump in the car. So I didn't pick anything up and it's now a big mess. So I gotta pick all this stuff up, make it look a little bit nicer, more walkable. I don't want to step on any tools or anything like that. And then that way I'll have room to get started working on this thing. Well, not perfect. I've got it a little bit cleaner. Use the leaf blower to clear off the dust and debris. Oh, I need to pick up a couple bolts and stuff off the ground. Still got a few things still chilling on the ground, but much better, and I have room to walk around, which is always a good thing. And let's get to the car now. First things first, I want to show you guys the new tail lights. They look really good. They fit in there real well. There is a little bit of kind of purple overspray from the previous owner, but I got a really good deal on the tail lights, and honestly, it looks a lot better than it being broken. We'll clean up that overspray later. If we have to spray paint it again, black around that, that's not that big a deal, but hugely better. Hugely better. And of course, they're in really good shape. They're just a little dirty. We'll wipe them off here. There you go, look at that. Much better. So, we did that last night because we wanted to drive it legally to go pick up Colin from the airport. So, they're on there. They look good. I'm pretty excited about that. Now, next thing we're gonna do is work on these corner lights. As you guys saw in one of the previous videos, they had shot this out with an airsoft BB or something. And honestly, it wasn't in very good shape to begin with. So, we're gonna replace that. And then this one also looks like it was shot a few times with airsoft BBs. So, we've got brand spanking new corner lights. Look at that. This one's still in the box. So what we're gonna do is get on replacing those, and I'm sure that'll make this thing look way better. I'm excited. Man, look at the difference right there. Look how, man, that's crazy. And it's just one screw, which makes it even easier. And the cool thing is these new taillights come with bulbs, so I don't even have to change the bulbs out. So couldn't be more perfect. So from what it seems, over the many years this car just sat here, it does look like this clip here and this clip here broke. I guess maybe just due to being brittle. I think they're just totally gone. They're missing off the old one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can figure out how they function and then possibly 3D print new replacements. But before I do that, it is held on with a screw, and there's enough of this one remaining that I think it'll hold on there okay. I'll just have to look into maybe sourcing some replacements for those or 3D printing new ones. One down, and then we got one to go. I've got the second corner light installed. It looks really nice, shiny, brand new. I like it. Same thing with this one. Let's go ahead and turn on the lights just to make sure that it works. Here we go. Headlights are on. Oh yeah, wow. Looks really good. Fresh, brand new. So we've got the corner lights installed. I think that's a pretty good success. Not that it was very hard, but nothing. I mean, it really levels up the look, honestly, just having some nice lights for sure, especially in the rear. Let's go back and look there too, now that we have the lights on. Also looks really nice. You can see it lit up. Looking really good. Okay, so next thing's next. We need to get in the car and vacuum this puppy because it is dirty inside. Let me give you a quick overview of what the interior looks like before I vacuum. Pretty rough. Got leaves in here. There's dirt in the seat. The floor is very dirty, which part of that's my fault. I think the gloves are. Back here, if you ignore my gloves I left back here, there's a disintegrated Walmart bag, just like totally destroyed. So that needs to be vacuumed. Also the back seat's a little dirty, but other than it being really dusty in here, it's really not that bad. So I'm thinking once we get it vacuumed, it's gonna look way better. So I'm excited to get that done. Let's get to it. Wow, check this out. This definitely dates this thing. It's an Angry Birds Happy Meal. And it's got Angry Birds stickers. Wow. That definitely dates this for sure. Word to the wise, guys, if you are planning on storing a whole bunch of bolts and nuts in something, please don't store it in a plastic bag. Please. Especially if you're going to leave it outside, because look what happens to plastic bags when you leave it out in the sunlight for I don't know how many years. It just becomes powder. All this stuff coming off my fingers. It's ridiculous. And it's going to be a bear to actually clean all this up. But we got to do it because it is quite dirty. And I don't want to be breathing in tiny little Walmart bag dust particles. Nice. It looks like someone went and picked up some Burger King. We got a #1 with cheese, no less, tomato, onion rings, or a large Dr. Pepper, a Whopper with cheese, and hamburger only. Sounds pretty tasty to me. So it's still far from perfect, but I mean, you gotta admit, especially in the back seat, it is way better than it was. So I'm pretty happy with it. I think that'll hold me over for a little while in terms of cleanliness. I still need to clean off the dash and all the plastics. They're quite dusty, so that's definitely gonna have to be done, but it's just a lot better. I mean, I couldn't get everything out of the floor. My vacuum only is so good, so we'll have to probably use some kind of like rug doctor or something like that to clean that up. But definitely way better. Pretty happy with it. So now I need to put the new mirror in, because that mirror is not really easy to see out of because it's broken. And then I need to reattach this because it's just gonna flop in there. So let's do that first because it's easy. That looks much better, though I'm gonna have to get a radio in there before too long, because you know, obviously gotta listen to tunes when you're driving around. Next thing on the list is the rear view mirror. As you can see, it gets to be pretty hard to see because this is kind of angled that way and it's pointing up towards the sky, and yeah, so it's just not very good. Luckily enough, this is fairly easy to take off, so I don't think we'll have much trouble. We can slap on the new one and it will look way better. So we got 3 screws here, and this will just pop right off. I already took off the little knob there, and then we can put on the new mirror. Look at there, it's removed. And we got the new mirror, well, new to me mirror, which still needs to be cleaned, but we can do that at the car wash. Not broken. Nice. Brand new mirror installed and ready to go. We just got to put the little trim piece back on and the little tiny piece that you control it with, the little knob. So I just got to get this lined up and put on. It looks like I'm gonna need 2 hands for it though. Got the trim piece put on, got the knob installed, looking really nice. Now I just got to put this little cover back on. Boom, look at that. Like factory. Let's see how it looks with the door shut. It looks way better. I can actually see behind me now, which is nice, whereas before it was all sorts of out of whack with that cracked glass. Now I just need to get another one for the other side, because this car didn't come with one by default, which you can just buy another one on the passenger side pretty easily. Only thing is I need to get another piece of this little thing for the other side because there's no hole on that side. That's the only downside. But hey, I think the interior is pretty good. It's in a pretty good spot right now. We just gotta clean up some of the dust, which I may do here in just a moment, and then I will show you one last look of the interior before we go and take it for a car wash. All right, we got her all wiped down. I think it looks pretty decent. I mean, it's not perfect. I think a full detail will be necessary to make it perfect, but it's far more livable. It doesn't look near as grimy. The floor's still dirty, but it's better than it was. Back seat looks pretty decent. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. And I feel like much nicer riding in here versus before. So you got the interior clean. We got a new rear view mirror. We got new taillights, new front corner lights. I mean, we're doing pretty dang good, I think. It's looking really nice. So now all that remains is just to take it for a car wash. So let's go do that. Alright guys, we're here at the car wash. We're about to clean this puppy. It's been a long time since it's been cleaned, at least almost 10 years. I saw some receipts from 2014 in there. So, let's get to it. Let's clean this engine and see if it dies. Looking good. Look at the difference here. Quite a big difference in dirt level. Oh no. Oh my God. Wow. How much water am I getting inside? I don't know. A lot of pine needles. Oh God, there's still a lot in there. I'll have to clean those by hand. God, this is dirty. You can't hardly get it clean. I think some scrubbing is going to be required. All right, let's get up the soap brush and we'll see how that goes. Definitely needs to scrub. It needs a scrub, that is for sure. Because this is not coming off very easily. Not very easy. Been on there way too long. dining at for the roof. It's a little bouncy. See if we can clean them. The rims are pretty nasty. I think they're going to require a little bit more effort than what I can do here. I'll do the spot-free rinse, because why not? Why not? Even though there's still spots all over the roof, you know. Why not do the spot-free rinse?
That'll get rid of them.
Exactly. That's spot-free, right? That's what that means. It means get rid of the spots. Car definitely needs a repaint, but oh well. That's in the future. I don't know how far in the future, but all right. Much better than it was. Engine bay looks much cleaner. Not bad. You can even see that right now. Much more clean. All right, well, we're gonna head back. Well, guys, she's still pretty dirty, but I mean, it's really dirty. This car is really badly dirty. There's still stuff on this window here. I can feel it. I'm gonna have to get out with a razor blade probably to really clean it. And also, my road's dusty, so it already got some dust on it. But it is a lot better than it was by far. It was really, really, really bad before. And of course the interior is much cleaner now, which I like. That's really the most important part, is to have a clean interior. But yeah, pretty happy with how it turned out. And it drove perfectly. And I can't say that I'm not happy, for sure. This is awesome. And I can't wait to drive it a lot more, get new tires, and you know, continue improving this thing, and eventually get a new paint job. But I do need to fix some dents. There's dents in the door. There's a whole bunch of dents I need to fix before I get it painted, because I want to make it look nice. I want to make it pop, you know what I mean? Maybe even powder coat the rims like white or something would be kind of neat. I think that would look really good. But that's all for this episode. What do you guys think? Did we do a pretty good job cleaning this car? I mean, at least the interior is much better for sure. The exterior needs some work, but it is far better than it was, I think. Far, far, far better. I want to thank my members and all my subscribers and people who watch my videos. And I hope to see you guys next time on Too Many Projects Garage.